This program presents original audio recordings and related primary source materials connected to the criminal case of Jeffrey Epstein. Names referenced in these calls are often abbreviated, incomplete, or identified only by initial. No assumptions are made regarding identity unless explicitly supported by court records. I will not be providing any political commentary, nor will I be speculating on anything or any of this evidence. There will be no conclusions drawn. I am not making this a political video. I am strictly going to give you the evidence and let you decide for yourself what is true and what is not true and who should be held accountable. I believe that all victims of sexual assault deserve justice. And I believe that all individuals who perpetrate on young girls and boys deserve justice. They deserve to be held accountable. Other than that, I will be making no more conclusions.
Okay. My stuff was ready here. You all right?
Yes.
You have any identification with you?
In my car.
In your car?
Yeah.
What's your middle name? And your date of birth? Soch? All right. That's you. Okay. All right. Obviously, I greatly appreciate you coming down to talk to me. All right. Like I said, I told your mom you're not in any trouble. I'm going to talk to you. Practically, you're just a witness in this case. Okay. Before we begin, can you raise your right hand for me? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. All right. Okay. You're loving that stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Um, I'm here to basically talk to you about Jeffrey, okay, on El Brillo.
Mhm.
Been conducting an investigation, and I know through the investigation that you've been there and may have information. Um, you know which Jeffrey I'm talking about, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's start from the beginning on the last questions along the way.
Okay. About a year ago, a friend of mine told me about Jeffrey. She said, like she was helping him find girls.
Who was this friend?
We're not friends anymore though, so you can't mention my name to her.
Okay.
Um, and she told me basically that you just go and you would give him a massage for about an hour for $100. And obviously that sounds a little too good to be true. And as I found out, it wasn't quite what she said. He has the girls take off their clothes and give them a massage, and then he likes watching them, I guess.
Yeah, actually, I've talked to a lot of girls, and I pretty much know what goes on.
Mhm.
Okay, to some extent. Um, so I want you to feel free to talk to me without any problems. I mean, trust me, there's nothing you're gonna say that's gonna shock me. I've talked to a lot of girls that visited the house. Uh, this girl took you
Mhm.
and told you for a massage, $200. She told you that you would have to provide the massage naked.
She said that I might have to take off my clothes, but that I'd be able to leave them in there, which Mhm.
So talk to me about the first time you went to the house.
Um, I went in with me and brought me upstairs to the room that's like off the side of his bedroom. Um, and showed me how to set up the table and where all the lotion was. And then she went outside to wait for me.
Okay.
And um, I don't know. It's different for different girls depending on like what the girl is willing to do. I wasn't very open to it, so mostly I give him a massage like wherever he said his legs, his back, that he never asked me to touch him in any sort of inappropriate way. Um, he touched himself while the massage was in place. He'd like, say, go to turn off the lights or whatever, just see whoever it was walking past the room. Um, he'd like, I don't know, he'd sometimes like touch my breast or touching himself.
Did he
That's
ever take out any toys?
yeah. There was just one. He had a massager thing, as he liked to call it. But that's it that I saw.
Okay. This all happened the first time you went, or how many times have you gone?
I've been. I went the first one and then I didn't go again for about 2 months or so, and then it was about once a month after that for a little while. But I haven't talked to them. I don't know when I talked to them. Actually, the last time I talked to the girl that one of the rapists stayed at the house, they were out of town. I don't know where they were, and I haven't heard from them since.
When was this?
When? It was about, I would say 3 weeks ago, maybe, was the last time I talked to them. Somewhere. Uh,
Did you call them, or did they call you?
well, I called her to let her know that I didn't have a cell phone anymore. And I told her I'd let her know when I got a new cell phone. And then I called back about a week later or so, maybe, to tell her that I'd gotten a new cell phone, gave her the number, and then that's where I stay now. So, but she didn't answer. I went to the voicemail. So,
Okay. So, in total, how many times have you gone to the house?
and they 15 to 20, maybe. Well, maybe not 20. Probably closer to 15.
Okay, so approximately 15.
Hmm.
Okay. During those 15 times, rather than go through one by one by one by one by one, those 15 times, would you say that things escalated?
Yes.
Okay. The first massage that you provided them, did you provide that without clothes on?
Yes.
Did you stay in your underwear, or did you
Yes.
get completely naked?
I didn't get completely naked.
Okay, so you stayed in your own, in just your bottoms?
Hmm.
Okay. Were you bottoms you were wearing, were they normal panties, or were they like thong,
It was
or
a thong.
it was a thong? Uh, did he ever touch you?
No.
Okay. He ever grab your buttocks?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How old were you when you first started going to that?
Um.
Obviously, you were.
Right. I am not sure if it is before or after my 17th birthday. So I was either 16 about to be 17 or I just turned 17.
Okay. When you touched your buttocks, did you have your thong on?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you mentioned earlier that he had touched your breasts. Did he ever use the massager
Yes.
on you?
Yes.
Okay. Was that um, over your panties or without panties?
Over.
Over your panties. Was there ever a time that you removed your panties?
Yes.
Okay. Did he use a massager without your panties? No. Did he ever use his hands to touch your vaginal area? Did he ever insert his fingers?
No.
No. Was there any penetration?
Once at the end, like when I stopped going to them.
Right.
Um, he asked me to have sex with him.
Um, in about did he approach you with that?
Verbatim.
Well,
He just kind of told me what to do.
as you were massaging him?
Yeah.
Did all this occur on his bed or a massage table
Massage table.
or on a massage table? Was this in his bedroom? Was this in?
It's a room that's attached to his bedroom. Like if you go through his room, there's another room, and you open it, and it's got a closet and a bathroom, like a toilet, but behind the door, and a shower and a steam room. But
Okay.
it's like
Okay. And did you have intercourse with him?
yes.
Okay. Um, did he offer you additional monies for this, or?
No, but he gave me extra money.
And what we're talking about? What are we talking about? Extra money?
He gave me an extra 150.
In total, what did you?
350.
350. Um, and this was all when you were 16, almost 17.
Well, that stuff at the end was after I was 17, right before I was 18.
Okay, so technically you're still 17.
Yeah, I was still 17.
Okay. Were you still at the time?
Yes.
Okay. During the times you were having intercourse, the time you had intercourse with him, did he climax in you?
No.
You know what I mean by that?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, did he provide any other sex with you, like oral,
No. No.
nothing? That was the only time there was ever any penetration.
Mhm.
Okay. What I mean by that was like fingers, mouth, anything, and
No.
toys, whatever.
No, that was it.
Okay. Did he ever introduce anybody else in the room to you?
Yes.
Who was that?
Her name is. My mind's like completely blank. I don't remember her name. I know she's from Czechoslovakia,
Okay.
but I can't remember her name.
What happened during that time?
She came in and she like did all the stuff to him, like because I wouldn't, and
My stuff.
like she would touch him, like while I would massage him still, and then he would ask us like to kiss, and he would watch, and she'd still be touching him while we were kissing.
Okay. Did more things occur other than the kissing?
Between her and him, yes, but between me and anybody else, no.
Did this woman ever touch your breasts?
Yes.
Okay. That's what I mean. Like,
Well, like it was very brief. I'm like, where I'm not sure if it was intentional contact or accidental, but
Did she touch your buttocks?
no.
Okay, were you completely naked when this was happening?
No.
You always stayed with your panties on?
Usually.
Usually?
Yeah, there was only like 1 or 2 times but yeah.
The times that you didn't, obviously the time you had intercourse, but there was another time. Was there another time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, did anything happen that time?
No.
Okay. Getting back to the Czechoslovakia, aside from the kissing and the touch the breast, did she touch you in your vaginal area?
No.
No. Did she use any toys on you?
No.
Okay. This was the last time you went there, correct? Was this the last time you went there?
With her?
Yeah.
No. It was the last time. Oh, I know the last time I was there. That was a week before October 10th.
Okay.
But no, she was in the room the second or third to last that I was there.
So that would have been what, like October 3rd,
Mhm.
2nd, whatever that time frame.
Yeah.
And she was not in the room the last time you went, you said?
Right.
The time you had intercourse, was she in the room as well?
No. She was only in the room one time.
What? Okay. At, at any time during the time that you've gone there, has she ever hurt you? Uh, time that you had the intercourse, how did that end? I mean,
What do you mean?
he told me he didn't climax.
Right. Well, not in me.
Okay. On you, obviously, or
Next to me.
okay. I'm gonna show you. Okay. The group of 6 photographs. Tell me if you can pick out the woman you think is from Czechoslovakia. Okay. You don't have to pick somebody. You may or may not be there. You know.
She one of the girls that was there that I'd seen, but I can't remember if she was the same one. I
Okay. All right. Let me show you another 6 photographs. Was she the one that was you think? Is she the one that you think was in the room?
Yeah. Not
47. Okay. There's 6 more photographs. Can you see if you can find the person? Anybody there is familiar to you?
no. I don't know any. No. I think that's.
Okay.
I'm not sure. She looks different in the picture.
Bear in mind that hairstyles may change.
Yeah, I think.
Who would you know Last name? Um, obviously, this is an ongoing investigation. Um, I would appreciate it if anybody does call you from the house to try to find out information or ask you questions about what the police have contacted you. I would appreciate if you called. You got my card, right?
I have it somewhere. I'm not sure what I did with it though. So,
Okay. Just a few more questions. When you had intercourse, obviously that was consensual.
mhm.
Okay. He's never forced himself or forced anything on you.
No.
Did you bring anyone to the house?
Yes. I've brought two people that each going.
Okay. Who are those people?
Um, a girl named and a girl named
Do you have a last name for them or?
F. F.
You know, did you receive monies for taking them? You said they both went one time only? And these girls also go to,
And does not. She have a school.
monies. They're going to school?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What grade did you say she's in?
She was senior.
She's a senior this year?
Mhm.
How did you take them?
Um, I took her 18 minutes maybe, and it was probably about 4 weeks ago.
How much did you receive for them both?
200 for each.
200 for each. Were they in a room with you at any time? Or were you in a room with them at any time?
Both of them I was in the beginning, but that just stopped working. Yeah, he told me to go downstairs and leave.
Did anything ever happen between you and these girls? Okay. Um, did they also provide the massages?
Yeah.
Nude?
Um, I think so. I know I think the state of the, I think she's slept too. He went to like watch her and she smacked.
Oh, really? Um, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Mm, yeah.
Are you working right now?
Mhm.
How old are you right now? Do you know what high school done?
Mm.
Uh, um, did you speak to your dad?
Not really. We're not having much right now. He told me that you had left the car there.
Okay.
So,
So he called me trying to find out why I wanted to talk.
mhm.
Now, obviously, because you're an adult, I
Right.
All I know the answer is you're a witness. That's it.
Yeah.
Not a crime.
But, yeah, no, I know. He did say that.
That you were not in any trouble, and you're not. But because you're an adult, it's up to you if you want to talk. I'm not gonna get involved with that. That extent of my explanation. Okay. Um, Obviously, if anybody from the house or the organization calls you, I would appreciate it if you called me. Okay. Um, During the time that you guys were together, did he ever ask you your real age? And did you
He
tell him?
was well aware of it.
He was aware
Mhm.
from the beginning?
Mhm.
What other things has he asked you?
Interests. He likes to get the bill and stuff, so I'm still not really.
Did you ever receive any gifts from him?
Yeah. He gave me some photography books and camera.
Did he take photographs of you?
Yeah. Not that I know of.
Videos?
I hope.
Was there anything that you felt that was a little peculiar in that massage room?
Um,
Like,
like nothing in particular, I guess. No, I had a feeling that he had like chemistry, something. Just a big house. You can definitely have him in the whatever he wants. So, like, I had no foundation, I guess, as far as like proof. I think that it's just
so you never posed for photos or anything like that?
mm,
Is there anything else you'd like to add to the statement?
just as long as nobody knows that I gave the names.
Well, trust me, this whole pad is full of names. That's all it says.
You know, I figured as much. Obviously, it's on me, so.
This whole pad's full of names. That's all I've been doing. But well, I appreciate you coming down. I appreciate your cooperation. So, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to give me a call.
Before you go, please take a moment to like, share, and leave a comment. It really helps push the story out to a wider audience. The more engagement a video gets, the more the platform recommends it. And cases like this deserve to be seen, heard, and not forgotten. Your interaction doesn't just help the channel, it helps make sure victim stories aren't buried.